Hey everyone, it's Sheila. Another episode here of TGIF Tidbits. Today we have Poiette with No More Dust Maids. Their services are amazing. I heard of them because I gifted my seller with a deep clean once we sold their home. So I shopped around and found this service company, and their services was basically, I've never seen something like this. They would clean inside the cabinets, outside the cabinets, shampoo the carpets, and it was just something that I didn't even need to think about. They just did everything on their own. So take a peek at this episode, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Okay, and then any unique cleans that you can remember?
Unique cleans. We
whether it's the actual shape of the property, or just unique inside, or just really random.
I'm trying to think. We've had some cleanings where the customer just kind of wanted strange things done. That were just we try to stick, we have a checklist, so we try to reinforce that and remind customers that this is what we do, and that's it, because you have customers who sometimes unfortunately will treat our cleaners like house help, so they think they're there to just do anything in the home, and we have to keep reinforcing the checklist. So we've had customers try to get us to go outside and clean their gutters, remove
Oh yeah, no, that's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's they're like, well, we'll pay more for it, and it's no, we don't do this.
Do that. Yeah, that's like a contractor.
Right. So
right.
I would say that's probably some of the weird things we've had, is where people just try to get us to do things that aren't on our checklist.
Well, the reason I ask is sometimes as a realtor, we walk into some spaces that are just different. Like, I remember this one house we were looking at, in the basement, there was a room. It was like an aquarium. It was just little pods of different types of fish, and a whole watering system through the ceiling. Wow. And everything. And I was like, how do they clean this room? Yeah. Just as a mom and a homeowner, I'm like, how does this place get cleaned? So I don't know if you guys ever rent, or I remember this one time, this one house, this guy had a collection, either a collection or he was selling them, of unique snakes. Lots of them.
Oh my God.
Lots of them. And he had a toucan in his house too, like a real one. So anyways, I walked into some interesting properties, so I just was wondering if that's something you guys did.
Yeah, no, I can't say that we've had anything like that before.
Okay. And then usually, how long does it take to clean a property? Let's say a 2-bedroom condo versus a 3-bedroom townhouse versus a 4-bedroom single family home.
Yeah, sure. So apartments, for the most part, as long as they're in decent condition, there's not a bunch of stuff all over the floor everywhere where we have to spend time organizing, typically about 2 hours or so. For a basic cleaning, maybe 2.5 to 3 for a deep cleaning. Townhomes, roughly about 3 hours for the most part. And that's what a lot of this area has, is townhomes. And then some of our bigger, single family homes, typically can take anywhere between 3 and 4 hours. So these are for just, regular cleanings where the home is in decent shape. We're not scrubbing for hours in one bathroom. Just kind of like a regular maintenance cleaning. The longest cleaning we've ever did was probably we had to split it across 2 days, because the house was maybe 7,000 square feet.
Wow.
And then it required a lot of cleaning. So we spent 8 hours the first day, and maybe 4 or 5 hours the second day. That's probably the longest amount of time we spent on the home. Yeah.
Okay, and then do you want to discuss pricing? How does that work? I know that it was really unique for you guys, because I went on a website and clicked on the things I needed done, and then it just totaled a price. Yep. I think I did it wrong though, because the property needed a deep cleaning of the carpets, with shampooing and stuff. And I think I only clicked one room, not realizing.
Oh yes, and then we had to update it.
So we had to update it, but like I thought it was interesting that you guys had that feature. Is that something that most places have, or is that something you
So
guys?
I've seen both. And for
Yeah.
me, I want to be transparent about my prices because I there's nothing that irritates me more when I reach out to a business and ask them about pricing. They're kind of just giving me the runaround, like, well, let's have a conversation. I'm like, no, just give me the price. So I want customers to be able to just go on the site and see exactly how much it costs without any, gimmicks or, us trying to add things on the back end. I don't like that at all. So for me, like my preferred business practice is just to have the prices out there. So we have two different pricing structures. We have a flat rate pricing, which is based on the size of your home. So one, the type of service you're getting, basic, deep, move-in, post-construction, and so on. Then the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the square footage. And inputting all of that information will give you a price. And the price is based on the average amount of time it takes to clean a home of that size. So sometimes if someone's house, they may put in the correct information, but they left the fact out that they haven't cleaned the house in 3 years, or it's a hoarding situation. So then we have to, increase the price. That doesn't happen often. Then we have what's called hourly cleaning, which customers typically book if they don't need the entire home cleaned. So they may want like all of their bathrooms cleaned. Some families say, I want my kids to clean their own room, so I just want you guys to clean the common areas like kitchen, living room, dining room. So we have that option for people who just want like a more flexible cleaning setup for them. So those are our two main pricing structures, and you can get the pricing for both of those pricing structures on our website and also over the phone. Both of our assistants can assist with that.
Cool. And any last bits of information or anything else you want to share with us before we end this?
No, I appreciate you having me. Like I said, we celebrated our 3 years yesterday, and it's been an exciting journey. We continue to grow. We love our customers, like I said, they're like family to us, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And you
Thank
guys did a
you.
really great job for our sellers too. So
Awesome,
thank
awesome.
you for that.